Understanding sugar in juices.
Fruit juices are popular for their sweet flavor, but many people are concerned about sugar content. Vegetable juices are often seen as a healthier choice. Both options have naturally occurring sugars, but they differ in the amount and type of sugar they provide. Learning more about these differences can help you make informed choices for your diet and overall health.
Sugar levels. Fruit versus vegetable juices.
That types of fruits, like orange, apple, and grape juice, typically contain higher amounts of natural sugar. In contrast, vegetable juices, such as carrot, tomato, or spinach juice, are much lower, often containing less than 10 grams per cup, making them a lower sugar choice.
Nutritional benefits beyond sugar.
Apart from sugar, both juice types offer nutrients. Fruit juices are a source of vitamin C and antioxidants, while vegetable juices provide vitamins A, K, and minerals like potassium. However, most juices lack the fiber found in whole fruits and vegetables. When choosing between the two, consider both the sugar content and the variety of nutrients you want in your diet.
Added sugars and juice blends.
Not all juices are created equal. Many store-bought juices, whether fruit or vegetable-based, may contain added sugars or sweeteners. Juice blends can also raise sugar levels, especially if fruits are mixed with vegetables. Always check nutrition labels to make sure you're getting pure juice with no added sugars, especially if managing your sugar intake.
Tips for healthier juice habits.
To enjoy juice while keeping sugar in check, try drinking mostly vegetable juice, or blending vegetables with only a small amount of fruit for sweetness. Limit portion sizes and drink juice as part of balanced meals, not as a replacement for whole produce. This way, you get the nutrients you need without excess sugar and help maintain healthy eating habits.